the Pec Minor iMoveFreely flow. To begin with, kneeling, sitting or standing, place the opposite hand on the opposite shoulder and press the shoulder forwards into the hand with 20% of our maximum effort. We hold it there for about 20 seconds and we repeat that 4 times on both sides. The key component here is to be relaxed everywhere else and simply push the shoulder forwards into the hand. We now want to start to work the reverse or the opposite muscles, and they are the retractors of the scapula. This simple option here in prone kneeling, just drawing the shoulder blade back towards the spine one at a time, is a nice one to start. We then go back to the agonist, Pec Minor being a protractor, and this flows nicely from the retraction exercise, staying in the same position but simply pushing the body away from the floor. You can see here in the second example the same technique made harder by taking the knees further away and then the toes to create more load into the movement through a longer lever. As an alternative to the Pec Minor flow, we can do the same muscle energy technique lying down to remove gravity from the equation on the shoulders. Simply lying on the back, knees bent, feet on the floor. Take the opposite hand to the opposite shoulder, push the shoulder up into the hand. Again, that 20% effort held for 20 seconds, 4 repetitions on each side. We can then transition into a sitting position and use a resistance band around the toes in either a bent knee or a straight knee option to work the opposite muscle group, the retractors at the back of the shoulders. To then work the agonist, we've swapped the band around to the back of the body and then push the shoulders forwards. And again, careful positioning of the band can be harder or easier depending on the type of resistance band used. Another option to add in at the end of an iMoveFreely Pec Minor flow, when we get back to the agonist work, after doing the pure scapular protraction techniques, we can add in a full push-up, but focusing within the push-up in that protraction component. Alternatives to work the retractors after releasing the Pec Minor using the 2020 is a bent over dumbbell scapular retraction. This can be done with both arms or a single arm, variable.